Progressive.
What is up, everybody? My name is Shanique and the girl with Shanique baby. Today we're getting into big girl lashes, how to apply big fluffy false nice wispy lashes. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. I haven't said that in a long time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and thanks for 1K. Today we're finally gonna talk about the giveaway. Okay, this cash giveaway. Okay, money. Anyways, I'm just gonna get into the lashes, and then I'll have like my little passcode or password or whatever in the video, and then at the end of the video I'll go more into details about the giveaway. But now into these lashes, baby. So how to apply big girl lashes, okay, so I can be bedding so I can be a baddie, okay? Be a baddie out here in these streets. I'm actually going to be using lashes from RAMAE hair collection. Black owned business, women owned business. All the lashes, they come in this baggie. So this is the info. This is actually the card of the lash that I'll be using. You know, I can't say it on YouTube, so blink bit. We're gonna be using these today because they're like boom 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 lashes, so we're gonna use them. All the lashes, they come in these little popsicles. Real nice. And this bag is so convenient, so because I can put in my lash glue, put in my mascara, and the lash applicator. Now put on these lashes. Of course, first step, you need mascara. Just any kind of mascara. I'm pretty sure this was like I got this from Dollar Tree. It's an LA Girl mascara. My bottom lashes, actually there's not a lot of mascara left in here now when I think about it. Oh my god. But hold on. Brush the top, of course, on top first. This is my lash glue. I love this lash glue. It's clear. I prefer to wear clear over, you know, those black liquid lash glues, because you know the black liquid ones, they're like very messy. So this is the super stronghold eyelash adhesive. It's clear by Kiss. I'm pretty sure it's by, yeah, it's by Kiss. IEnvy by Kiss. Putting glue along the band, of course. Usually I don't wait to put on the lashes, but you really have to wait. The reason why Saturday my lashes lasted all day for, you know, brunch, and then my cousin's like party at night, it's because I actually really waited to put on my lashes. So honestly, you really have to wait at least 30 seconds before you put on the lashes. I have nails on, so I need a lash applicator. The other day, well Saturday, I actually put on my lashes by using my fingers. But I really want to learn how to put on lashes properly with a lash applicator. So we're honestly learning how to do this together, y'all. Like honestly and truly. Because I need to start learning how to really wait to put on the lashes with the lash glue, letting the lash glue dry for 30 seconds. So okay, let's just do this. Picking it up with, ooh, we can't let them fall. I always pick it up from the center. Actually no, this one, it looks more full on this side. Okay, so to be safe, I'm gonna put this onto this eye. So I'm looking down at my mirror. The mirror is like down here. Looking down, I'm going to put it in the middle. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. And then I'm going to, I guess, start closing it, hopefully. Ooh, Jesus, is this gonna work? Hold on. Ooh, I see the outer corners. Yeah, it's like hanging off. This one. Let's do this side. A lash applicator. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just, oh, we got it on. Okay, so I'm over here just, I wanted to just hold on. Oh, I did it that way instead. I was like, let me just pin this side so it falls on the other end. It fell on the other end. It did. So this is, ooh, this one looks like it's lifting. Okay, so we're gonna do what people usually do. Get the lash applicator and then just pat it all along your lash line. So your lashes and the your real lashes and the lashes could just stick together. Oh wow, that worked, okay. This pair of lashes, they're like the ends are not equal. It goes from like short, they go from like short to long. So the ends are not equal. So you would have to like really watch to see which one you're putting onto your eye. So this one, it would go well with this eye, you know, to give it like a wispy effect. These are like wispy lashes. These are pretty as hell. Oh my god. Okay, so middle, it's in the middle. So I'm looking down, looking down. Honestly, y'all, if y'all see me doing something wrong, let me know in the comments. Like this end, it sticks to my skin, like the skin of my eyelid, and it doesn't actually stick to my lash. Like I don't like that. I don't like when I don't like the way it looks. So I'm trying to really put these together. Ooh, child, honey. Now, let me see though. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. See? Okay, that's better. Oh god, this got tangled. Honestly, last tip, mascara. Honestly and truly, I do this like half of the time. Like less than half of the time I do this, but this is important. You know, if I'm gonna do like a lash tutorial, I'm gonna have to do this right and show y'all how it's really supposed to be done. Although I don't really be doing it all the time, but it's a reminder for me also to do my lashes correctly. Oh shoot. Ooh. Lord. Anywho. Stick. The passcode is stick. Bada boom, bada bang, a bang. I feel like my lashes weren't really sticking together how I wanted them to. So I was like, let me just use my fingers. So I'm using my fingers so they can really stick together and look how they should look, you know? So this is such a cute look. Oh my god. Let me know if you want to know makeup details for this look too. Very basic. I think it'll take me about 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments. Ooh, my teeth. Ooh, she cute. Okay. Okay, bye. Sorry. This is Blink Bent by RAMAE. Well, from RAMAE Hair Collection. I will have the link down below for these lashes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, giveaway. So, thank y'all for 1K. Okay, so first, of course, the first rule is, you know, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at JeanAngelXO. Comment underneath this video. Like, at least 3 photos from my Instagram page. Like at least 3 photos from my Instagram page. You know, watch my stories on my Instagram page, interact with my stories, because right now I do have some Q&As, I have some polls right now. I have like 3, I have like 2 questions, and I have like I said Q&A, a poll. I don't really have like, you know, a set schedule for when I do polls or whatever, but you know, if I have a poll, interact with my poll, that will give you kudos and bonus points so you can get these $50. Of course, follow me on Instagram, like at least 3 of my photos. Oh, comment too. Comment on at least 3 of my photos too, you know, that'll be cool. And yeah, you know, and when you're done with everything, screenshot me the evidence of the like photos, the story interactions, the YouTube interactions. Send it all to my DM at JeanAngelXO on Instagram. My passcode, I will say the passcode. The passcode will be said in a voiceover pretty much in the video. It'll be in there somewhere. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, tuning in. Follow me on Instagram at JeanAngelXO. I hope that we learned how to put on lashes together, how to properly apply fake lashes, big girl lashes. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Comment down below any other suggestions or your favorite lash brand. Right now, RAMAE Hair Collection, I love their lashes. Okay, I love their big girl lashes. I really do. So, you know, if you like the smaller lashes, honey, I would suggest using Ardell Wispy lashes or Kiss lashes. But earlier this year, I really got into the big girl, fluffy, long lashes, and I just love these lashes. So do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and deuces.